What's the Remix tool? The Remix tool lets you take any Butter template and instantly customize it with your brand assets. It's the fastest way to create new content while keeping animations and layouts consistent. How to use the Remix tool. First, select the template you'd like to use. Then click the Remix button. A pop-up window will appear with containers for your assets, like videos, images, or logos. If you already have a brand kit set up, Butter will autofill these containers for you. If not, you can easily upload your assets manually. Once you're ready, hit Next and watch the template transform with your content in place. From there, click Continue Editing to make any final tweaks or adjustments. And when you're happy with the result, just export and you're done.